Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Glossybox's limited edition Easter egg to show you guys. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this is the 2022 new limited edition Easter egg by Glossybox. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your egg to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, this literally just showed up yesterday. Today is Easter. We literally just got home from going out to seeing family, and I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and just record this for you guys. So I'm going to try to get this up still today since it is Easter. This unfortunately is no longer available. I looked at the site while we were driving home and it shows that it is sold out right now, but I do want to show you what the contents are inside. And that's a great thing about Glossybox. If you are a member, or if you're on their mailing list, or if you're subscribed to their Instagram, you can be aware of when all of their new limited edition boxes and stuff are released, so you can grab them before they sell out. Like I said, this is now unfortunately sold out, but this package is absolutely stunning. I'm going to show you this more in depth and how you can see like all of these different things. Like literally there's drink me, there's little keys to cupcakes to mushrooms to all different types of detail in here, and I will show you that now. Back for 2022, it's bigger, better, and bursting with more beauty than ever. The best-selling Glossybox Easter Egg Limited Edition has had a makeover with an incredible magical gold design and a bright glossy bow, making it the beautiful gift for mom, sister, friends, or you. This year's collection features a star-studded lineup of the best in beauty with a total worth of over $250. Okay, so again, here is the packaging. It's like a really pretty pink with like a rose goldish kind of metallic all around it. Definitely different, but it has like the Alice in Wonderland theme kind of like to it. So I'm actually digging it. I think it is super, super cute. Okay, so I believe there's 10 products inside. It's supposed to have a guaranteed worth of over $250. Yes. If you were a subscriber, you would get this at a discounted rate of $24. For non-subscribers, this would have only been $29. Still, $29 for $250 worth of products in this cute bag. Like, that is just so cute. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what we're going to have inside of this egg. How cute! So that is how it opens up. And there is the products down there. So let's go ahead and let's start with this first thing that's huge, large, and in charge that I see from the top. And this is a Kenra. I really like that brand. This is Advanced Dry Thermal Protection. It is a 6.8 fluid ounce. And looking at their website, this has a retail value. This is a full-size product. And this is $36.99. And again, I really like this brand. So now you have a blow dry spray to help thermal protect your hair when you are blow drying your hair. So that's great. I've never seen this product and I definitely will be using it because again, I really like Kenra and I do use the shampoo and conditioner. So there's the first product right there. This is already more than this entire egg. Just this product. Okay, so now we have something called Liquid Gold with Galactic Acid. It's a 100 ml, 3.38 fluid ounce, and it's right there. This is, of course, a full-size product, and it's $54. Holy moly. What is this? It says, apply Liquid Gold onto cleansed skin each alternate evening. So every other night, it's not for every night. Moisten a cotton pad with a solution and apply to face and neck. When the skin is touch dry, apply your preferred Alpha H moisturizer or serum. So basically you put this on first and then use your serum or your moisturizer, whatever you're going to use, but only use it every other day. And it's $50 something. Holy moly. Let's take a look. that's what it looks like. Pop off. Okay. That's weird. You pop off the top, but it's like this type of a top to it. So I don't know why they had to have this top, but I guess to be fancy. There's that. So again, every other night, use this before a moisturizer. There is a full pamphlet inside if you wanted to get more information while reading it. Next we have is a Rose Quartz Antioxidant Natural Collagen Eye Mask. This right here is a single treatment worth $15.50. Holy moly, these probably work good then. I really love a good eye mask, face mask, that kind of thing. I just love skincare, so give me some O's, how I always feel. Next we have, it says New Brow Enhancing Serum. That sounds neat. This is a full-size product valued for $60. We're moving on up, even going higher, you guys. So $60 just for this product. Wow. This potent serum utilizes powerful peptides and vitamins to transform the look of sparse, undernourished, or aging eyebrows. Expect to see fuller looking, more defined brows in as little as 3 to 4 weeks. Alrighty then. Let's see what's inside of here. There's not a pamphlet or anything for me to get any more information, but I did get the pricing on their website while we were driving home. So I did do that. There is a pamphlet in there as well if you wanted to get more information about it. And that is what it looks like right there for the packaging. And oh, there's plastic. Hold on. How do I get this open? Hold on. Okay, so now that plastic is removed, okay, so it's like this. It kind of looks like a lipstick. Oh my gosh, I cannot talk. Must have been the wine. It has this little applicator, kind of like you have like on a lip gloss is what I was trying to say. And you just put it on your eyebrows. That's really cool to put on like before you go to bed and then just let the serum soak in. And it says 3 to 4 weeks you should start seeing the signs of it. So that is really neat. That's a cool product to put in here. I definitely can use some more hair on my brows, let me tell you. The next product is from Bella Pierre Cosmetics, and it is a liquid eyeliner in the color black. And this guy right here is the full-size product valued for $20. This I will save for one of you guys to enjoy because I do not use liquid liner. So that's what it looks like when you open it up. I'm not going to open it all the way because I'm going to set this in my future giveaway pile for one of you guys to win and enjoy. But it is a liquid eyeliner, again, full-size product valued for $20. And it's in the color black. So put it right back in here for one of you. We have oh my gosh, there's still several more products in here, you guys. Now we have something from Cab Cosmetics, and it says Illuminating Dust. This right here is a full-size product as well, and it's valued for $26. And this is in the color Beam. Okay, so it looks like it's going to be a highlighter. Ooh, it looks like that would be a really pretty color. I'm going to save this for one of you guys as well because I don't do much with highlighters, so I definitely would love this to go to somebody who would use it. If you do win it and you don't like this product, you can always pass it down to somebody yourself to give it down. I mean, forward that passing down. But that is what it looks like right there. And there is a little bit of like pickup that's in the lid right there that just got on my finger. So let me kind of show you a little bit because it's not open. The package isn't open. This is just like extra stuff on top. So you can kind of see like the little shimmer that you would have with it. Looks like it would be really pretty. But again, I don't use this type of product, so I'd rather somebody else use it. So I will save that for one of you guys as well. Now we have is Daily Concepts, a daily silicone facial mitt. That looks interesting. This has got to be a full-size product, and this is valued at $8. And it looks like it's going to be like a cute little bunny. How cute. Let's see. Yes. So that's what it looks like inside, and it's a bunny, so appropriate for the Easter egg though, with the little bunny. So you can stick your fingers in there and you can just whoop 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 your face. There was something that we got one time and I was trying to stick my fingers in there for like that kind of a concept, and it didn't do it. So that's what I was looking for in that other product that didn't have it. But that is just so cute. So you can just stick your fingers in there and you can whop around your face, put your little product on there, or already have it on your face. That is so cute, and I like that it's a bunny. And that's $8. Okay, so the next thing we have in here, it says we are Paradox, and we are Paradox. This is a travel size, and the value is $15 for this particular size. And it says that it's a 3-in-1 repair conditioner. Ooh, I am definitely going to use this in my hair when I take a shower as soon as I'm done filming. That is so cool. Directions: after shampooing, work into wet hair and rinse. Or you can apply to towel dry hair as a leave-in conditioner or on dry hair as a styling balm. So that is the 3-in-1, you guys. That is awesome. I love a good conditioning repair type of a treatment for my hair. I love that. So I'm all game. This one right here, it says a facial enhancement cream by Dermatologist Choice. I think that's the brand. Yes, Dermatologist Choice. This is a travel cream, a travel size. This is valued for $15 as well. And does it say daily moisturizer with non-neutralized galactic acid, AHA? It's a 0.5 ounce, 15 milliliter container. And yeah, so you have a daily moisturizer. So that's cool to have that. All the other products are full size, so there's only like a few travel size in here. So that's awesome, mainly full size. This is Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow Pink Dream Body Cream. You guys, I really like Glow Recipe, and I love the watermelon like face serum type stuff that they have, but I have not tried the body cream yet. I believe this is a newer product since I've ordered from them. This is a 20 ml. This here is, where are you? Glow Recipe Body Cream. This is a deluxe mini valued for $5. Are you gonna smell like watermelon? Because if so, holy moly, I love me some watermelon. And it's pink. It's a pink color, like watermelon. It's like a baby pink. Oh, it kind of does smell like, oh, it does smell. It smells just like that facial, the facial cream or serum that I have that's watermelon. It smells just like that. Oh, it smells so good. Ooh, and it feels really nice. That feels really nice. That feels really nice. I think I'm going to just use this as a hand cream. That smells so good. So that is everything that came in this egg, you guys. So if you would have been able to get it while it was still available, again, that's a great thing to be a subscriber of Glossybox or to be on their mailing list or to follow them on Instagram so you can stay up to date with them. They do show you them first. I get emails that tell me that they're coming up in advance as well because I'm on their mailing list. So keep that in mind if you want to be up to date with all their new releases, especially their limited edition boxes, because that's a great value for yourself or a gift. So even like stocking stuffers coming up, save them, like anything like that. So in this, let's do a quick recap. Not only do you get this really cute packaging that you can reuse and save, that is just gorgeous. I love their packaging. I love their packaging. So you get a travel size of the Glow Recipe Pink Dream Watermelon Body Cream that smells and feels phenomenal. You have a moisturizing cream. You have a repair 3-in-1 conditioner. Now for the full size products, we have a facial cleansing little silicone apparatus. You have a liquid gold face product. You have an eye mask. You have a liquid eyeliner. You have a brow enhancer to help your brows not be sparse and get a little fuller. You have an illuminating dust like highlighter, a powder form highlighter. And then you have this hair product for blow drying your hair and protecting your hair from heat. All right, you guys, so that is everything that came in the 2022 limited edition Easter egg. I am totally loving this package, you guys. I love all the little hidden things inside. I love the colors. I love the way this looks, the way that it is, and it just sits on top with the bow. I love this packaging. Glossybox knocks it out of the park with their packaging, the products inside for a great price. Like, oh my goodness, you guys. So comment down below and let me know what you thought about all the products that were in here. And for $24 or $29, that is a great deal, $250 worth. Holy moly. And that's not including this little cute box that it comes in that you can save. If you do want to check out Glossybox, I will have them linked down below. You can follow that and check out Glossybox, check out their monthly box. You can check out what limited edition boxes they have. And they have their own skincare line too that you can purchase directly from their shop without having a subscription. So that will all be linked down below. And again, let me know what you thought about it. Let me know what you thought about the products inside. Would you be happy with this? Did you think this was a great idea? If you found out ahead of time. Again, I just received this box late yesterday, so I wanted you to see what was in here, and I felt it was appropriate today being Easter to show you the Easter egg. So again, comment down below and let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.